This is called your decomposition tree visual. And see, this is the visual, right? Decomposition tree visual. And what I do is I just drop a measure here. What is a measure? Measure is a numeric value sales. Look here on the right side, you will find analyze field and explain by, right? So analyze which measure that you want sales. Measure is a numeric value that I explained to you as per data modeling. Next one is the, for example, I want to see the category. I just drag and drop it. Moment when I see only one numeric column, rest of them are all categorical columns. So category, and you can see the segment, and then you can, whatever the categorical column, you can drag and drop it here. Not the region. What I will do is I will just drop the country column. Okay, country is not available. I just drop the region here. So look here, the moment I drop the category, segment, region column, right, under the explain by, these are the categorical column. Analyze, in the analyze field, I have dropped the sales column. It's a measure, it's a numeric value. And here, next to the sales, you can see the plus icon. When you click on this, it will get, you can see something like this one, right? The category, segment, region. When I click on the category, it will give me the breakdown of sales by category. Look here, with this, you can make out quickly in which category the sales is more, right? Which categories revenue contribution is more? Technology. Second highest category contribution in terms of revenue is furniture, and third one is this one, right? Again, you can see the plus icon here because you have put the segment column also. Now you are curious, you need to understand the technology category, which segment we have more sales, which segment contributed more revenue. So consumer segment, we produced more revenue. This is the topmost contributor of revenue in the case of technology category. Even in the consumer category, if you click on this one, you are left with region. So in the consumer category, which region we contributed more in terms of revenue? The central region is the top contributor in terms of the revenue into the consumer segment. And you can see the the drop down here. You can you can click on this arrow so that you can scroll up and scroll down because we have more regions. You want to see it, you can see this. So this is something like your tree, right? A tree like structure. This is powered by artificial, and again, right? So you can click on this cross here, that will go. If you don't want, you can close it, and you can click on the plus icons. You can select the high value. When you select the high value, 1 second. Yeah, it will show you the highest value that, and actually highest revenue that you achieved in consumer segment, which region, right? That is what you can, high value, low value, all the things you can see. This is called decomposition tree. This is also, very much helpful. Okay. So, okay, I'm done with the reporting, the data visualization part. Next, we'll jump into the DAX part. Sorry, I just closed it by mistake. Okay, just give me a second. I'll just open the DAX part. The next important topic is